Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Drying the bread before making the stuffing is crucial for texture and flavor. If you plan ahead, you can simply leave the bread cubes out on the counter for a few days to become stale. Otherwise, spread them out on baking sheets and dry in a 300-degree oven for 30 to 60 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best type of bread to use for stuffings include any bread with low moisture content, that has a tight crumb, small holes, and that has a neutral flavor. Bread like this includes plain white bread, challah, and brioche. In this article, we will look at exactly what a stuffing is and why it is needed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Follow this tip. Stale, dried-out bread makes the best stuffing. Either dry out your bread starting a few days before you plan to make the stuffing by letting it sit out, or, if you don't have the extra time, cut the bread into cubes, and then toast over a low heat in the oven until dry.
Take our lead.
How do you make bread stale overnight? Cut the bread into cubes if you are making breadcrumbs, croutons, stuffing or similar dishes. Leave the slices whole for French toast and similar recipes. Place the bread on a baking sheet or other pan, or on a sheet of aluminum foil. Cover loosely with cheesecloth and let it sit in a warm place overnight.
Take our lead.
If your stuffing is too wet and gummy, turn it out onto a baking pan or cookie sheet. Break it up and spread it in an even layer. Then bake until dried to the desired level. Return the stuffing back into its dish and serve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.